Hi you guys and welcome to Developmental Math. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access your first course content module. As you can see here, I'm on the home page. So if you really wanted to, you can just scroll down here and click any of the modules that you wanted to access. For the purposes of this video, I'm just going to cover how to access chapter 2. And I will not click on this box right now. I'm going to go up, come over here to the left menu, and then click modules from there. Either way, it's whatever preference you prefer. Once I click on modules, it takes me right to chapter 2, algebraic expressions and equations. This will be the first thing we are covering. Okay, and by the way, the future content modules are the same, so pretty much everything you see here, you will see in the other chapters. Not every chapter is going to have a vocabulary quiz or a discussion, but for the most part, they are built the same. So, resources for chapter 2, this is going to tell us our learning outcomes, our required activities, optional activities, and gives us some links to some helpful videos. Let's click on it. Okay, as you can see here, I won't read them all to you, but we have a list of learning outcomes. So there's about 8 for this chapter. A good thing I would say is when you're towards the end of the chapter, come back to this page and reread those learning outcomes and see if really have you mastered all of what was required of you or needed of you, I guess, so to speak. Okay, continuing on. Chapter contents. These are what I was talking about as far as video links go. So we all have this book, Developmental Math Combined, and each of these links corresponds to a video on that particular topic. So if you're ever struggling or miss a class and you need to come in here and find, okay, I need help on formulas, you'll just go here and you'll click formulas and it should cover everything that I've covered in class that is in the textbook. Okay, keep on scrolling down. We have our required activities. So this is a list of required activities. You'll have homework sets for each section. You will have a discussion board post that you're responsible for. You'll have a key concept quiz, as well as a chapter 2 quiz in Canvas. I've also listed some optional but highly recommended activities: multi-step equation practice, inequalities practice, and conversion practice. So this is our resource page. So if you want to go back, you can just hit back and it should take you back to where we were a minute ago. So you can see here there's a PowerPoint available to you on the entire chapter. You can just scroll to whatever section you might need help on. These are your assignments. So everything below here are your assignments. For example, chapter 2 homework sections. This is a main important piece here. You're going to click on this. And these are your homework sections. So chapter 2 has 7 sections. For example, if you click on 2.1, you'll be taken to an external link, and then this is where you would complete your assignment. So you hit preview assessment, and it looks something like this. Okay, enough of that. Back to modules. So let's go back to modules. So we've covered resources, we have a PowerPoint, we have homework sections. This is a discussion on equations and inequalities. You will have to reply your own discussion as well as reply to 2 other classmates. These are our optional but highly recommended practices: multi-step equations, inequalities, and conversions. The last 2 things you'll be required to complete on this chapter is key terms and vocabulary and a quiz to algebraic expressions and equations through Canvas. And pretty much that's our entire course content. And like I said, as we move further in the book and as the chapters continue, it will be pretty similar setup throughout the course. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, please reach out and contact me. Do not hesitate. You can get behind very quickly, and I do not want to lose anybody early on. Thank you so much. Have a great day.